Hi, my name is Bill Ricken. I'm the road building specialist for Bomag pavers. I've been with the Cedar Rapids paver line for 35 years. I want to talk about some of the features of this 462 paver that we have at the World of Asphalt show. One of the features we have is with the feed system. We have heavy duty feed components, the slat bars, the slat chains, the location of the bearings are not in direct contact with the mix. You can see in the front and the outside of the frames, the bearings do not directly contact the asphalt, so we have longer bearing life. The only bearing that's in direct contact with the asphalt is the outboard bearing support for our spreading augers. The slat chains are good for 3 years, 3,000 hours. The slat liners are good for 5 years, 5,000 hours, and the slat bars are good for 10 years and 10,000 hours. That's part of our super wear guarantee, just to emphasize the longevity of our feed component system, which is your #1 wear item on the asphalt paver besides the screed bottoms. And to continue with the super wear guarantee, we're going to go to the rubber track system, which is also part of it. It's good for 3,000 hours and a 3-year warranty as well, and we'll go take a look at that now. Okay, continue on with the rubber tracks. There's several reasons why we're able to offer a super wear guarantee on the track. It's a Bridgestone track. They built a great track. It has a great cross section. We've made several updates to make the track it is today, but we also have a track frame that we have our own design that has the structural integrity to support the track. We have a patented tensioning system. We call it smart track tensioning. So in the forward direction, we have pressure on both the rod and the piston side to give them optimum tension. You need more tension when you back up. So the rod side is dumped to tank for reverse to give the optimum tension in reverse rather than over tensioning the track in reverse when you're working in the forward direction. We also have a D-track system on it should you get in an operating condition when you're maneuvering that the track would try to come off, which all rubber track systems would get in a condition that at some point the D-track system will stop travel before any damage can ever occur. Once again, we've seen life of 7,000 hours out of these tracks. So it's easy for us to offer a super wear guarantee on the track system because of the design. In addition to that, we have frame raise and 3-point suspension. So while we're paving with the 3-point suspension, we always have the same ground pressure on both track systems, again, adding to the life of the track. From this point, let's go back to the main instrument of this paver is the screed area. So let's walk back to our Stretch 20 electrically heated screed. Okay, now we're going to look at our Stretch 20 electrically heated screed. It's a base screed of 10 foot, extends to a full 20 foot. There's screed extensions optionally available to go out to 26 feet. It's electrically heated. And like the rest of the paver, it has the best uptime reliability in the industry. This will lay the best mat of any screed on the market. It's a rear extendable screed with a full 19-inch wide main screed and 19-inch wide extension. It has 4 heat zones. The heating elements are the same. There's 2 elements in each screed section. One element as a spare would replace any in every zone. The uptime reliability is that doesn't often occur. The screed bottoms can be changed out in a half a day. The screed bottoms can be removed, replaced, and set up in a half a day and be ready for paving. It's a hard ox 400 screed bottoms. We expect long life out of those screed bottoms. Depends on how abrasive your aggregate is. On each side of the screed, we have hand controls to control the position of the rear extension relative to the main. We have toll point controls to control the position of the toll point to have the correct line of pull. We have an override for the feed system. The Gen 4 feed system is mounted on each side of the screed, so the screed operator has easy control to maintain not only constant head of material in front of the screed, but a uniform spreading auger RPM to achieve the best end result. With the rear extendable screed, you're going to have the most uniform matte texture, the most uniform density, the most uniform temperature across the width of the screed, whether you're 10 foot, 20 foot, or anywhere in between. While this 462 is one of our very popular pavers, we have a wealth of different models available, including our variable pitch counter-rotating augers available in our road mix that can be either as a transfer vehicle or as a paver. I can take a 662 paver in 2 hours, convert it to a transfer vehicle. It gives you a very versatile piece of equipment. You'll have the best asphalt paver on the market that can easily be converted to a transfer vehicle when the need requires. Our parts commonality is is at a very high percentage, whether it's an 8-foot machine, a 400, a 500, a 600. We have wonderful parts commonality across the board to support your product.